And here we go. The last view of it. The Tasmanian has found something. It looks like drill holes that is made into a cross. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
What is it? Oh wow.
That's drill holes made into a cross. I have no idea what it means, but that's a cool feature.
Yeah.
Whisper of the wind plays through the silent forest night. Crackling fire warms our hands, shadows dancing in the light. Moon high up in the sky, guiding us through the dark. Echoes of the owl's cry, nature leaves its mark. Under the stars we find our peace.
Wow. Rocky and down trees. But there is a feature right here that I wanted to show you guys. You have the river right here, and if we go up here, you will see something that looks like a man-made check dam that has been torn down or eroded away. And this is right before the waterfalls up here that we've been looking at. So yeah, kind of cool feature. I really don't know much about the history here, but it's a very beautiful place, boys and girls. So if you're in Sweden, I would recommend you to go in here and just to check out this place. I would even recommend it when it comes to fall, winter, but for sure when it's summertime. So right now we're right above the check dam. And as you can see, it's stacked rocks on that side. And it's gonna be stacked rocks on this side as well. But I really don't know if it's been demolished or it's just eroded away. Let's go down and take a look closer, shall we? And there we go. If you haven't followed my wife's Instagram, go check her out. So I'm gonna have her linked down below. And you can check out the entire footage of this trip as well. So once she's done, I'm gonna head down and show you the check dams right here. Well, we made it down and it seems like the wifey wants to live on the edge. Dirty dancing moves, let me see one. Come on, dirty dancing, let's go. Is she gonna fall? Is she gonna fall? Aww. Easy does it. Oh yeah. So, like I said, we always try to have some fun while we're out and about. But yeah, as you can see right here, we do have a structure right here with concrete, but then you have stacked rocks and it goes along right here and right over here. So I'm wondering if this has been like maybe a check dam or something like that has been there once upon a time, but it either has been demolished or eroded away. Can't say for sure because I don't know a lot about the history on this site. But this is kind of cool. And I mean, it looks like there's a check dam even there. Could be natural, but I really love the sound of this. Oh, he threw out his stick, so got it to the rescue. I'm gonna get wet. Let's see if I can grab it. There we go. Hey, what's up? So, I'm gonna go around. Ow! I'm gonna go around the tree right here. Go underneath the tree. Ugh. Got it. So now there's a lot of nice places all around this little bit of a creek that's flowing. So I'm down here just walking, trying to see if I can see anything while walking here. There's a lot of leaves and stuff like that, but nope, nothing here. Nothing more than beautiful nature and clear waters, as it should be. All right, now I need to get going to catch up with the wife and the kiddos, but I need to find another way around because I ain't gonna get over this. So I need to backtrack to get up onto the embankment and get to the wife and the kiddos. All right, catch you up when I'm with them. So I've catched up to the wife and the kiddos, and it seems like they found something. So let's turn you around. Another check dam, it seems. We got a sign down here as well. She said it doesn't say anything about it, but well, it doesn't. So we got another check dam, and it's man-made. No doubt about it. Let's zoom you out. Now that's kind of cool. Don't know why it's a hole right in there, but... So the question is, why are there check dams here? Did they use the check dam for a purpose, or I don't know. Now I need to crawl. They chose a very obstacle way with a bag on my back. But yeah. All right, let's catch up to them because they are way ahead of me. So let's go. Man, there's some really big down trees along this path. But yeah, guys, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in on this little adventure that we did. We're gonna keep going, and if there are any other features that we will see, I'm gonna bring it up in pictures right after this. So, all right, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this adventure, a mini one, but still an outing. And we are gonna say thank you so much for joining, and thank you to everybody that has been watching this video from start to end. We really do appreciate you.
Yep.
So stay safe, everybody.
And have fun.
See you later.
Bye.
Whisper of the wind plays through the silent forest night. Crackling fire warms our hands, shadows dancing in the light. Moon high up in the sky, guiding us through the dark. Echoes of the owl's cry nature leaves its mark. Under the stars we find our peace, hearts aglow in the midnight breeze. Stories told beneath the trees, memories that never cease.